Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about 5 exercises of explanation text in English part 1. How seawater becomes salty. Hari ini kita akan belajar 5 latihan soal tentang explanation text dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, here we have a text. Kita punya satu teks, and then we have to read it together. Nanti kita akan baca dulu bersama-sama, and then we have 5 questions. Kita punya pertanyaan yang masing-masing nanti kalian jawab berdasarkan satu teks ini. Okay, mari kita baca dulu untuk teksnya. How seawater becomes salty. 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered in water, and 97% of that is salty seawater. Only 3% of our planet's water is fresh, such as water in rivers, lakes, and streams. This fresh water plays a big role in explaining how the sea becomes salty. Water moves around our planet in a cycle powered by the sun, from the sea to the sky to the land and then back to the sea. When the sun hits the water in the sea, it changes into gas called water vapor and rises into the air through a process called evaporation. After that, the water vapor turns back into liquid water while floating in the air, forming clouds through a process called condensation. Then this water eventually falls from the clouds in the sky as rain, sleet, hail, or snow, in which the process is called precipitation. When this flows into streams and rivers and eventually makes its way back to the sea. Furthermore, the rain that falls from the sky contains small amounts of chemicals called carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, which makes the rain slightly acidic. This acid can absorb small amounts of mineral salts, including sodium and chloride. These mineral salts are dissolved from the rocks, which then enter the water. Thus, the main salt in seawater is sodium chloride. The rainwater flows off the land and into the rivers and streams that lead all the way to the sea, carrying the dissolved salts along with it that makes the seawater salty. Silakan diperhatikan untuk teksnya. And then we go to the first question. How is the percentage of salty seawater and fresh water of planet Earth? A. 97% of salty seawater and 3% of fresh water. B. 3% of salty seawater and 97% of fresh water. C. 99% of salty seawater and 1% of fresh water. D. 5% of salty seawater and 95% of fresh water. Okay, 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Oke, mari kita bahas bersama-sama. The question is, how is the percentage of salty seawater and fresh water of planet Earth? Jadi berapa persentase antara air yang asin dan air yang tidak asin atau segar di planet bumi? Kita lihat pada paragraf pertama di sini, ya, pada kalimat pertama dan kedua. Jadi ada 97% dari air yang asin dan 3% dari air yang tidak asin atau fresh. Maka kita lihat the answer is A. 97% of salty seawater, and then 3% of fresh water. The same text, and then the second question. What is evaporation? A. The water vapor turns back into liquid water while floating in the air, forming clouds. B. Water eventually falls from the clouds in the sky as rain, sleet, hail, or snow. C. When the sun hits the water in the sea, it changes into gas called water vapor and rises into the air. D. When water flows into streams and rivers and eventually makes its way back to the sea. Okay, 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Oke, kita lihat. The answer is C. When the sun hits the water in the sea, it changes into gas called water vapor and rises into the air. Kita lihat pada paragraf kedua, ini ya kalimat pertama. Jadi ini sampai sini, kemudian ada through a process called evaporation. Maka kalimat ini merupakan proses dari evaporasi. Okay, the question number 3. What is the main idea of the second paragraph? A. The process of water cycle. B. The evaporation process. C. The condensation process. D. The precipitation process. 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Okay, let's discuss together what is the main idea of the second paragraph. Jadi apa ide pokok pada paragraf kedua? Kita lihat pada paragraf kedua di sini. Ya, jawabannya adalah A. The process of water cycle. Jadi sini ada proses dari siklus air ini ya. Kalau kita yang evaporation saja bukan, karena ada yang lain, ada condensation juga dan lain sebagainya. Maka keseluruhan ini adalah merupakan dari siklus air. Number 4. What makes the rain slightly acidic? A. The rainwater flows off the land and into the rivers and streams that lead all the way to the sea. B. Small amounts of mineral salts. C. Rocks which then enter the water. D. Chemicals called carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide from the rain that falls from the sky. 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Oke, mari kita lihat jawabannya. The answer is D. Chemicals called carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide from the rain that falls from the sky. Kita lihat pada paragraf ke-3 di sini. Which makes the rain slightly acidic. Jadi kita lihat di sini, maka kalimat penjelasan bawahnya ini yang sampingnya ini adalah penyebabnya yang membuat jadi slightly acidic. Jadi chemicals called carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide ini ya, from the rain that falls from the sky. Number 5. What is the main salt in seawater? A. Liquid water. B. Sodium chloride. C. Carbon dioxide, and then D. Sulfur dioxide. 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Okay, the answer is sodium chloride. Kita bisa lihat pada paragraf terakhir. Thus, the main salt in seawater is sodium chloride. Okay, thanks for your attention, and I hope it is useful for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.